Okay, I think the neighbor has finally stopped blowing the leaves. I swear, it's like every time I want to do a video, it's like time to blow the leaves or cut down a tree outside. Hey friends, it's Quinby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see you for another thrift haul of items that I plan to resell on Poshmark, eBay, and to Thredup. I'm a part-time reseller. I have been reselling for over 10 years on eBay and a few years on Poshmark. I also sell on Etsy, and I have a question for you actually. These thrift trips are all from when I had like 30 minutes before I had to pick up my son at school. He's 10, he's in elementary school, and I'm like, oh, there's a Salvation Army right nearby. Why is it, friends, that it seems like the very best hauls we have are the ones where we just pop in for a minute, or we're driving by and we didn't have plans to stop at a thrift store and we just had to go in? And then I know it's not just me, because I've seen people talking about this on Instagram as well. Like, I just ran in and I found all this Eileen Fisher. So for some reason, that's just the way it is. I don't have a problem with it because I don't have that much time to thrift. That's why I buy so many reseller mystery boxes from places like Jomar, Thredup. I'm about to try Cozy. I have a discount link for Cozy down below if you want to check them out. They're a new wholesale company. I'm excited to be a new affiliate with them. I'm ordering some boxes, so join me in that. Let's get into this haul. This is all stuff that I paid regular thrift store prices for, so full prices. Like these pants I got at a Goodwill, they were $6. So I'm hoping to sell things for at least like between 20 and 40 or something. This is a newer to me brand. I think it's kind of a trendy brand, and the brand is I Am Gia. I'll show you the tags. These are a size medium, and these are cool. They're like a jogger pant, but they also kind of look like a utility pant. I don't know. They look like an interesting tag. So I pulled up my phone and looked them up, and comps look to be like $40. Elastic waist, kind of a balloon leg here. And they go down to an ankle, so that makes them a jogger pants. So when I list these on eBay, I'll put my title as I Am Gia Women Medium Pants. And then I'll put brown khaki cargo jogger elastic ankle. And then I think this might be sold at places like Revolve, or if they are sold somewhere cool like that, I will put that in the description too. That's kind of a newer to me brand. Let me know if you guys knew about that one. This is my most recent haul where I literally ran into Salvation Army for like 20 minutes. I had to set a timer because I had to pick up my son, and I was like, it was such a good haul. I wish I could have stayed longer. This is a brand I keep hearing about from other resellers on YouTube. I don't usually pick it up, and I might start. The brand is Lulu's. Everyone talks about it. I don't know why. It just has not been on my radar. Lulu's, and the reason I bought this is because it's new with tag. So I was like, this is probably a good way to start out with this brand. It's a long maxi dress. It has this halter neckline, and it's a long maxi, but it has a slit up the side. So I think Lulu's dresses are a little bit sexy usually. I think it's a younger women's brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know they do like wedding attire too, I think. So comps on this looked around like the $40. The only thing is, what do you guys do about this issue where, because it's a maxi dress, it was hanging on the floor at Goodwill, so there's a little like shelf wear on the hem. I don't want to wash it because it's new with tag, so I think I might just note it in my listing, new with a little shelf wear on.
It's not shelf wear. Shelf wear, Quinby? No.
If you're new to the channel, a couple of things. One, I put my bloopers at the end of the video. I make a ton of bloopers, so I just try and keep it real over here, so come laugh with us at the end of the video. Two, make sure you're subscribed with that little bell turn on. The bell will give you notifications when I go live. I do a live every Friday night. It's really fun, group of resellers, so make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you at one of those Friday lives. This, I wish I had had the time to video me at the store because it must have been hilarious. This is a Free People dress. One of my absolute favorite brands, but I cannot figure out this piece, so I better find a stock photo. I know it's cool. It's a dress, but it's like all open. I was like fiddling with these straps at the thrift store. It was ridiculous. Look at this. strappy. So it looks kind of like a normal dress with all this, it's linen, lace, and crochet. So for people, but look, the sides are totally open. See that? That's what I couldn't figure out because it was all crazy on the hanger. So maybe this would be a great swim cover up. It does tie at the sides too, but it's very open. So I would think a swim cover up, or, you know, maybe a really pair of bike shorts and a bralette if you have that type of style. I just think it's gorgeous. I am going to, oh, please, gosh, let there be, oh no. See, what I was hoping for was that I'd look at the material tag inside and it would say the Free People number. It starts with O, B, and then it's a bunch of numbers. And if I put that into Google, I can get stock photos and the name, but I don't see it on here. Should have checked that. So I'm just going to have to look it up. Size extra small. I'm just going to have to look it up by keywords like lace, crochet, open dress. Bummer. I have to find a stock photo for that, wouldn't you say? Sometimes I buy the Free People because I just love Free People, and maybe it's not always the smartest pickup. This is Garnet Hill. Totally love selling this brand. It's an expensive, kind of mature women's brand. This is so cute. Look at this. It's a tank top, but it has all this heavy embroidery, and it's got tiers. I'd say this is what I'd call a baby doll hem. Now, do I wish this was a size extra large? Yeah. You can't get as much for a tank top size small, but I figure with the embroidery, and usually it has a really excellent material content. This one's modal and cotton. So sometimes it's Pima cotton, it's more expensive, but tank tops were only $3, so even if I can sell it for $20, $25, that's a really great profit. This is a really fantastic find, and I did not have time to look at everything as thoroughly as I usually do, friends. Where do you go in the thrift store if you have a little bit of time? Do you hit shoes? Do you hit active wear? Kind of depends for me what mood I'm in, but I wanted to look at dresses because I'm filming this in April 2022. Spring is coming, people are shopping. So I looked mostly at dresses, and I just saw this across the way. I was like, oh, that's an interesting looking material, and it was Patagonia. Not only Patagonia, but a size 12. So a much larger size Patagonia. So that's fantastic. And it's like a midi skirt, like a cargo skirt, black cargo skirt with pockets. Excellent condition on this one. And it's probably nylon or something. Yeah, nylon. I don't know what somebody wears that for. Do women wear skirts hiking? I mean, Patagonia's sort of a camping, hiking, outdoorsy person brand. So I don't know what people wearing skirts for. Do you guys? And then I found this dress. I was like, this is the best run right in haul, an Eileen Fisher dress. Eileen Fisher used to sell like crazy for me for high money. It doesn't sell like it used to, but I sell to Thredup. So all the Eileen Fisher that I've been getting lately, I just send right into Thredup because the payouts are great and it sells really fast and I don't have to photograph it. Like this is a kind of a wrap front, longer midi or a maxi dress, and we all know no one loves photographing those, you know. So I'll send that right in there and I might get a really great payout for that. I've gotten like $50, $70 payouts for like tops and sweaters and pants. There must be a lot of that type of customer that are shopping on Thredup. And I got my therapist magazine. If you don't know, I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. And I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist where I talk about working with teenagers and therapy. I talk about anxiety, introversion, depression, mental health issues. So if you want to chat with me about some other issues, come find me over there. I would love your support on that channel. This next bag, this has been sitting here, you guys, honestly, for a couple of months. I just have not got a chance to do a thrift haul in a little bit. So I don't even remember what this stuff is. Does that ever happen to you? It's like, oh, did I buy this? Ooh, well, I did good. This is Reformation. Yes, on the Reformation, baby. Reformation is also another what I would call like younger women's brand. I'm 46. I sell mostly mature women's brands. Mature women's brands are expensive. A lot of those women shop online. So I sell a lot of Eileen Fisher, Garnet Hill, Talbots, Style & Co, Chico's, J. Jill. I love selling that stuff. This is sold on sites like Revolve. It's very expensive. Now, I wish I had listed this right away because I think this might be more of like a fall item with this gorgeous gold, kind of an open front top. I think it's gorgeous. Look at the big tags on here. Wow, Reformation, you're like really letting us know. Well, someone probably paid $150 or something for this top. Let's check out this one. So I should have got this stuff listed when I bought it, but life happens. Ooh, a nice Athleta top. Size medium. I love selling this brand. Just sells so consistently. And this is a lightweight top, but look at that knotted front detail. Really, really pretty. It's very soft, whatever they made this out of. And this is this newer line where it says designed in San Francisco. I've been selling this stuff like crazy. It must be kind of a more modern line because this stuff has been selling so great for me. I mean, it's just usually like between a $15 and $25 flip. I was looking to see if it had the date on here, 2020. So not an old piece. Look at this sweater. Gosh, Quimby, you should have listed this. Wow, this is another item I'll send to Thredup. It's another brand that does better on Thredup than it does for me, like on eBay and Posh. This is Theory. Theory is so expensive. If you walk into Nordstrom, you're going to pay like $250 for a Theory top or sweater or something like that. I can sell it on eBay in the $30, $40 range. Takes a while to sell, but on Thredup, they price it high enough that I can still make that $30 or $40 and let them photograph it and deal with customer service and ship it. This is a chunky knit sweater, and the thing about Theory is it looks deceptively simple, their stuff, really classic simple lines, but it always fits beautifully. So it's a great like career brand. This is a size small chunky sweater, just gorgeous. So I probably paid $6 or $7 for that because that's what things cost around here. I'm looking in this bag and I'm like, I could title this mystery box. It's like I do not recollect buying these items. Ooh, another just great consistent bread and butter for me, Prana. Another brand that's sold at places like REI. I think it's really a yoga brand, but this is a really pretty lightweight sweater. See, I live in Northern California and it still gets cold here in the evenings, even in the summer. So you always have to have layers, and I have tons of lightweight sweaters. Like I would wear this all year round, and it has this sort of open knit. So maybe that could be like a spring summer sweater too if I get it listed. I was gonna check the material just to see. It feels so nice. Organic cotton. See, I love that because it's an extra keyword for me. You know, I would put Prana women's sweater, organic cotton in caps. Then I might put lightweight, open knit, pull over, blue long sleeve sweater. That's a really pretty piece. Not bad, Quempy. You must have run in and done pretty well. Ooh, look at this beauty. Oh gosh, this looks like something I would totally wear. Look at that gorgeous top. This is Anthropologie, a Kemi and Ken. I love this brand. I own a couple pieces of it for myself personally. This was probably over $150. It actually says Anthropologie on it. And this is like a knit, like an open knit kind of tunicky sweater with this rust. This would actually look good with these wide leg jeans I have on right now. I've been buying so many pairs of jeans on Poshmark, trying to find right now, spring 2022, a popular trend is like a wide leg crop jeans, fitted through the hips and stuff, almost like a retro style. And I found some that I really love by Ann Taylor, but I don't know exactly what size and what length, so I've just been ordering a ton of them. I'll sell the ones that I don't like. But this would look really great. This is linen and cotton. This is beautiful. Really, really beautiful sweater there. Oh, that's it! Bummer! Got my receipt down here, but that was only for a few of the items, $31, so... Alright, friends, I love a thrift haul. I wish I could thrift more. I'm a thrifter at heart, but you'll be seeing lots of unboxing from me here, and other reselling related content. Thanks for joining me on this video. Let me know what you think of the haul, and I'll see you next time, friends. Bye bye, bye bye, bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Okay, I haven't filmed up here in a really long time. Can't really tell what the background is, and it looks a little crooked, but whatever. Put this back a tiny bit. Maybe it's too close. There we go. Is that good? Is it? Here we go. And, no, you don't know. You were going to say something. And what? It's like, bad habit. Don't do what I do. Don't go thrifting. Leave it in your garage because you're waiting to do a haul video. Like, get your stuff listed. Get the sweaters listed because now it's not sweater season. But, I'm part-time, so we all do what we need to do. But don't follow my advice. Don't follow my example. Don't do it. I have a thrift haul today from several different stores. They're all when I've been able to squeeze in like 20 or 30 minutes of reselling before I go pick up my son or something. Not reselling. No, that doesn't make sense, does it? No. But this stuff, Reformation, I think it's younger women. It's sold on brands like oh my God. Really, like I need lessons on talking. Yeah.